We are getting the car all loaded for our trip. We're so excited to go to Texas to our son's house and see the brand new house that he just bought. The car is packed and loaded, and we have everything in here that we're taking gifts, and we're taking all the food we're going to have. I brought recipe cards and all sorts of things to make wonderful food while we're visiting our son's house. As you can see, we are loaded down. I have gifts. We have coolers in the front and back and all sorts of good things to take with us on our trip. It is 4:30 in the morning and we're getting ready to start our journey.
You ready to get going?
I sure am. I can't wait to get to Texas.